Hey everybody, it's your girl. I came to show you how to put together the new digital download Hobo tote bag pattern. Okay, I'm really excited about this because everybody's been waiting for this. So no matter where you're at, you'll be able to actually download this pattern. This pattern actually comes with different pieces. So this right here, what I'm working with is the main fabric pattern. You have a top and a bottom. You have your top and then you have your bottom. You're going to cut across that line with your scissors, but you're not going to cut the line. So cut a little below that line. Once you cut below the line, what you're going to do is you're going to line it up on top of the line on the bottom part of the hobo tote bag pattern as shown here. And then you're going to tape it across to secure it. Okay, and so once you do that, you can also put a piece on the back, and you'll see me do that later. And also with this, you're going to repeat this to the lining part of the fabric. It's the same piece, and you're going to repeat that, and then you're going to end up cutting the pattern out. So we're going to repeat that, and this is your lining fabric. So this is the lining part of the pattern. So you're going to do the same thing as we did with the main fabric pattern piece, and you're going to cut below the line, and you're going to tape it on top of the line to the bottom. And they actually say what they are. You have your main fabric piece, and then you have your lining. You have the top and bottom, top and bottom. So you're going to repeat that same step as shown here. Then you're going to tape across. And also one of the things you can do, once you cut your patterns out, when you put them all together as shown here, you can actually laminate them. And you can laminate them, so that, they'll stay. But you'll always have this pattern in your email. You can just kind of save it. So now this is the handle. We're going to do the same thing with the handle as shown here. We're going to cut that piece. We're going to cut across. And remember, you're going to cut under the line, all right, as shown here. And once you cut under the line, you're going to tape that piece as well to the pattern, just as we've done all the other ones. So as shown here. So then you're going to just go ahead and tape across. And so for the pocket piece, you don't have to do anything to the pocket piece. It fit right on there. And this is all 8.5 by 11 paper. So that's your pocket. So all you have to do is cut that piece and get ready to put it on your fabric. Okay, so now I decided to just go ahead and show you how to cut your pattern piece out, because some people are beginners and they don't know. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I turned it over on the back, and you can do the same thing. You can use tape or you can use glue. If you have a glue stick, you can use that as well. Okay, and now you're just going to trim around the pattern as shown here, so you can get ready to lay it out on your fabric. All right, that's the steps to laying this pattern out. I hope you enjoy it. I'm just going to go ahead and cut this out and just kind of show you, for those that may be new to digital patterns or just patterns period, and want to create this cute little hobo tote bag. You're going to really enjoy it. So the next step, after you lay it on your fabric, follow the instructions. It'll tell you to place it on the fold of the fabric. Follow those instructions, and then follow the video that actually shows you step by step how to put this great, beautiful hobo tote bag together. Enjoy, and I can't wait to get you other patterns that's coming out real soon, and I'll talk to you soon. If you have any questions, you can always put your comments in up under the description box where you have the comments. If you have something that you want to get in touch with me about, just go ahead and put it down there, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And don't forget, listen to my podcast on Sundays. I can't wait to talk about what's going on, especially with my patterns and everything. I talk to you about business, so I'm excited about talking to you about business and how you can take these things to the next level. I'm going to talk about my patterns, the pricing, how I got to that point, and I'm really excited about that. So stay tuned Sunday, and I'm just going to talk about some things. All right, enjoy this pattern, and I have more to come. Talk to you soon. Peace.